Even though the state government is planning to bring about peace in the state, Kuki Militants today launched fresh attack at Thamnapokpi&Sabungkhok under Lamlai Assembly constituency in Imphal East district. The incident occurred around 9:30 am and continued till 11 am today. First, the Kuki Militants fired 3 RPGs and later indiscriminately fired upon farmers working in the field. Central forces deployed there, including Maha regiment, BSF and state police, retaliated them. Unfortunately, one personnel of Maha regiment was reportedly injured during the encounter. He is not serious, the report says. For the moment, encounter is ceased at the site.